Gain knowledge through reading. Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale, known as the Lady with the Lamp, was a famous nurse. She was the founder of modern nursing. She was born on May 12, 1820 in Florence, Italy. She is significant because she was a nurse who saved many lives during the Crimean War. And also, she made a big contribution to changing the way in which hospitals were run. The International Nurses' Day is celebrated every year on her birthday. Activity. When's International Nurses' Day celebrated every year? If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.